Hi, I'm Laura Hoffman with Missouri Assistive Technology, and today I would like to focus on the Visual Impact 3 application that's available on iOS. This app is a prompting system that has been designed for folks with cognitive disabilities. The app encourages independence while allowing the user to be self-paced and self-directed. The facilitator can quickly create multimedia task sequences through the use of social stories and visual modeling. So stick with me and watch this video, and I'll walk you through the process of programming through Visual Impact 3. Okay, let's get started by opening the app on our iOS device.
Please tap the topic you would like to view.
Visual Impact 3 comes with 3 example files: how to make a cup of coffee, all about Abraham Lincoln, and how to take your blood pressure. For this video, I created a 4th file about how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. What I'd like to do is show you how you can easily go in and create a sequence or edit a sequence that already exists. To get into the edit mode of the application, the facilitator has to hold the eye icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. It's a very deliberate hold, and it activates after about 10 seconds. So I was doing that, and now I'm into the edit section of Visual Impact. If I want to create a new sequence, I can choose the new button down at the bottom of the screen. But I'd like to take you into my peanut butter and jelly sandwich sequence so you can see how easy it is to edit. So I chose peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and it immediately changed the menu bar at the bottom of the screen. So now I have the option of editing, and I'm going to choose that. Now, like I said, I've already created all of this. However, it's incredibly straightforward. The step-by-step instructions are on the right-hand side of the screen, and all of the editable fields are on the left. So I put in the name of the task as peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I recorded under button talk audio, let's make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And I pulled in a task image from my photo library. I found that it was much easier if I wrote myself a script of steps and took pictures of the step-by-step images that I wanted for this sequence. The next thing you can do is add task audio. Remove 2 pieces of bread from the bag. So this is our first step. We're telling the user what we'd like them to do first. Now at the bottom, we have our choice of standard or checklist. These are the 2 ways that we can present the information to the user. And I'll show you those at the tail end, but I chose standard, and what the standard does is it allows us to hold a step on the screen until the user completes it. The second one is a checklist where the steps are listed one after another, and the user can select and check off each line item as they complete it. So, okay. This is all completed. If I wanted to change the audio or change the image, I could do that here. But I'm going to choose the arrow in the upper right-hand corner to go to the next task or the next step. So I tell my user to close the bag with the twist tie. And I do that through audio. However, you'll see that there's no green check next to step video. I could actually show a video of me closing the bag with the twist tie. However, since I did this by myself and didn't have a camera person, I found that was too difficult to do. So I did everything through still photos, but you can use step-by-step video as well. So I went through and I created each and every step, and I'm not going to go through them all, but it's all the same. Once you're done with your entire sequence, you click at the bottom where it says Finish Task. And you can then apply by choosing the green check in the upper right-hand corner.
Please tap the topic you would like to view.
And now our sequence
Let's make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
is displayed on the main menu. Now notice I chose it, but to get it to activate, I actually have to choose it a second time.
Remove 2 pieces of bread from the bag.
Okay, so this is the standard layout that I told you about, that we have to choose this arrow to go to the next step.
Close the bag with the twist tie. Next, put away the bread. Place the bread on the plate. Get 2 butter knives, one for the peanut butter and one for the jelly.
Okay, I'm going to push stop here.
Please tap the topic.
Okay, I now want to go back in and show you the same sequence set up as a checklist. So I'm going to press the icon twice, and it goes into a checklist of the tasks that we've recorded for the process of making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So
close the bag with the twist tie.
I can choose something to listen to, read the instructions, and then once I'm done with it, I can check the item off. And I can go through them one at a time, or I can go out of order, which I think for some users this could be confusing. For other tasks where it's not so sequential, maybe it would be okay, but for this particular task, I think if you took the steps out of order, it would be very confusing to the user. But to make the checklist
Please
happen,
tap the topic you would like to view.
it's very important that when you're in the edit menu, and I'm holding down the eye icon in the upper right hand corner, we have to make sure that the very last item where it says allowed to do items to be checked is marked. The default for this is that it is not checked. So you could experience difficulty creating a checklist and it not working. And the only reason why it would not work is because this last item is not checked. So I hope you found this video to be informative. If you have any questions or would like to borrow Visual Impact 3 from ETC's lending library, please give us a call or email us. You can also check out all of the other assistive technology that we have available for you at www.at.mo.gov. Have a great day. Thanks.